Everyone and welcome back to the channel, and today we're looking at all Xfinity stream error codes and their fixes for 2025. Let's get started. We're going to start with the common errors, their fixes and everything. So the first error code is RDK03004, and the meaning is that it has network issue, and the solution is to restart the modem and use Ethernet instead of the normal network. Then the next code is RLC 2000 code, and the meaning is that the app is corrupted. So what you do is to reinstall Xfinity Stream app. The next error code is PLT 1000. Now what does this mean? It means you have low bandwidth, and the next fix is just to simply upgrade to 100 plus megabyte per second plan. Then the next error code is XRE 03059, and it means you have outdated Roku app. Your Roku is outdated. So what you do is to simply update the operating system in settings, and then tapping on, that is, you tap on settings, then you tap on system, and then you update the operating system for Roku. So the next error code we have is XRE03111. And the meaning is that it has detected VPN. So the fix is to disable the VPN or whitelist your IP. Now we have some new 2025 codes also, like SRE04020, which means you have server overload, and solution is simply wait for 10 minutes. Then we have XRE05010. This simply means just regional blackouts and you just use Xfinity's VPN instead. Hope you found this video helpful.